600, 800%. Then when it gets up here back to the old all-time high, it will be 1,200, 1,300%. Here at the 1618, it will be 20x, 2,000%. Getting up here is going to be around 33x. Somebody say 3,300%. You cannot get that now. If you're buying Stellar Lumens right now, this will only be a 2.5x when it goes to $1.98. When it goes here to a 1618, it will be 125% from where it is right now. You have already missed these gains. I'm only keeping it real with you. I'm only keeping it real with you. The market cap is very large, is what I'm trying to tell you. Stellar Lumens market cap is almost $17 billion. It's only got now left in it from here. You know, you got a good legitimate 3, 5, on some crazy stuff, 6x. I'm just trying to help people out. When I was telling them to buy this ebook 2 years ago, I'm telling you to buy it now because there's going to be more stuff. And I'm just going to keep pointing people back to the ebook and say, you should. This is the fun part of the crypto cycle. I get an opportunity to point people right back to that ebook and say, you're still effing this up. I'm trying not to do any real hardcore cussing, but I can say effing. You're still effing this up. Because you think that you can go and watch somebody on YouTube or read a couple of tweets on X and you know how this works. It's not how it works. You must read something that is the base of like this crypto cheat guide that I have. You got to read the base of crypto first. Then you need to listen to people. That way you will have some what is called, it starts with a D, discernment. You can discern who's pulling your leg and who is not. Now, I'm not going to call this person out, but I am going to mention it for just, you know, I like Alex Becker. This dude is crazy rich. His YouTube channel is huge, but here are the facts. Listen to me. I'm telling you right now, I love this guy. I love this guy because his brand is his brand. And the way he develops his content, he's got his own niche. Listen, I love this. I'm a digital marketer, so I love this guy. Listen, I'm saying this up front because I don't want y'all to be like, ooh, Calvin don't like Alex. I love this guy. He's a multi-millionaire, great entrepreneur. But with that being said, I will tell you this. Alex Becker does not know how to chart. He doesn't read charts. He's the technical analysis. He's not that guy. Great entrepreneur, multimillionaire, great guy. He doesn't read charts. And you know what else? Because he runs that YouTube channel, this is the same person that was telling you that Cardano is trash. I told my audience, according to what? When was you buying Cardano? Was you buying Cardano at 3 cents? It's not trash if you was buying it at 3 cents. Was you buying Cardano at 10 cents? He loves making fun of people who owe Cardano. Now look at what Cardano is doing. Go watch his last videos and see if he mentions to you about buying Cardano. But he was making fun of it and saying, don't buy it. And there's a bunch of jokes and Cardano's girlfriends, boyfriends, and all that. You got to be careful how you consume your information. You must have discernment. And so I wrote you a whole ebook, a cheat guide for crypto, so that you don't get your leg pulled. For those of you who did not buy Cardano because you was listening to Alex Becker, your ass is behind the curve now. Cardano's been in my ebook for the last 2 years.
Pušila sa brate moj. Brate, puxa-o.
Wait. Yeah, this is Thornton. Look, we've located the break.
Dale, pues ahí te sigo.
Woo, bullhorns. I'm ready to wrestle up some more of that crypto.
You know you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin to get started in crypto. Let me show you. You look at my account, I've been buying Bitcoin since 2017. In fact, I spent $10 in 2018. Bitcoin was $10,000 a pop. Like most of you, I didn't know what it was. I just put $10 in it. Boy, am I glad I did that. You know you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin to get started in crypto.
Možeš da priznaš nešto?
Da ti kažem, evo ja ću jedeš.
You know you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin to get started in crypto. Let me show you. You look at my account, I've been buying Bitcoin since 2017. In fact, I spent $10 in 2018. Bitcoin was $10,000 a pop. Like most of you, I didn't know what it was. I just put $10 in it. Boy, am I glad I did that. You know you don't have You know, Bitcoin is at $94,000. Just chugging along, making its way to $100,000. You know what else? Bitcoin is now the 7th largest asset in the world, passing Tesla, Facebook, silver, and Saudi oil. That probably means nothing. You know, Bitcoin is at $94,000. Just chugging along, making its way to $100,000. You know what else? Bitcoin is now the 7th largest asset in the world.
This one habit that makes you extremely intelligent.
Ya pa' moyo, I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yard. Oh,
October 18th. So over a month ago, I showed you something on my TikTok timeline. Let's take a look at it. September the 12th, I said, if you are waiting for $42,000 Bitcoin, I don't think so. I put a money bag right here on this blue line with an arrow. Let's see what this blue line says. Look. Oh, look at that. About $60,000. At the beginning of this month, I showed you another chart. On October 3rd, I gave you $60,000 for clarification. Let's see what I said in this video. We're looking at a daily chart, and as you can see, for the last 3 days, Bitcoin has been supported at $60,000. Bitcoin cannot come down here and start closing candles under $60,000. I gave people a month head start to take advantage of these crazy gains. That literally means 30 days ago, you could have set your portfolio up to look something like this. Damn! Bitcoin is also breaking out of a 7-month bull flag. It's sitting at $68,000. Believe me when I tell you this is just getting started. You might want to check out my crypto cheat guide. Today is October 18th, so over a month ago.
Wow, what's this?
Yeah.
Bitcoin is pumping, but your portfolio is down. Do you mind if I coach you through this for a second? This is Bitcoin on a daily chart. Last week, Bitcoin was going down, and this week, Bitcoin is going up. If Bitcoin is going up, how come the altcoins are going down? Here's your top 100 cryptos, but notice that 90% of them are down severely against Bitcoin. So what does that mean? It means Bitcoin's dominance is going up. This is Bitcoin's dominance. It's almost at 60%. Man, I still don't get it. What the heck is going on here? Let me explain it to you. Last week, Bitcoin's dominance was falling, and the altcoins last week, the top 100 last week, they were all pumping. That's because people was taking their money out of Bitcoin profits and putting it into the altcoins and letting them run up. Because these things ran up so high last week, people are now taking profits out of the altcoins and putting it back into Bitcoin. Wait a minute, you haven't been doing that? Did you know that I wrote the crypto cheat guide that explains this? No, I'm serious. Look at this. In chapter 2, where I talk about well-balanced and diversified portfolios, I mentioned here that 25% of your portfolio should be in Bitcoin. It is a store of value. It is gold 2.0. Treat Bitcoin as your digital gold, as a proven store of value. It should constitute a quarter of your portfolio. If you're complaining about your portfolio being down right now and you're getting wrecked with altcoins, it's probably because you're not balanced and diversified enough. You don't have enough Bitcoin in your portfolio. Don't get upset with yourself. Let me explain something. Bitcoin is approaching exhaustion. This is the overbought section. This is getting way too frothy. People are going to start taking their money out of Bitcoin because they're making a lot of money here. They're going to take those profits out and they're going to start pushing them back into the altcoins, which will run the altcoins up. But you got a little bit more time for Bitcoin to pump here. For those of you who learned something and you realize that you've been doing crypto absolutely wrong, let me show you something. If you click the link in my TikTok bio, it'll take you directly to this right here, powerofpublish.co. If you slide down here, you can clearly see that I have available courses and ebooks. You can grab this as an audio version, or you can grab a combo. You can even grab this as a solo guide. If you don't start learning this, here's what happens. Bitcoin's dominance is going to fall, and if you don't take advantage, you miss pumps like this from your altcoins. Hey, don't say I didn't tell you. Bitcoin is pumping, but your portfolio is
so why would I stop? I'm unstoppable. Hold up.
Whatever second meme makes it in the top 10 is going to go absolutely crazy. Don't say I didn't warn you. When people come into crypto and they're looking to see where they're going to place their money, they're going to look at the top 10. Regardless of how long it has been around, it's in the top 10 because of its dominance. And that is going to garner more market cap, more money. I'm just telling you that's how it works. I don't really care how long it's been around. Let Pepe make it to the top 10. Have you seen Pepe's price? People are going to literally start buying that and saying to themselves, if I put $100 or $1,000 worth of this and it goes to 1 cent, I'm going to be a multi-million. That's how they think. I know it's crazy, but I'm telling you, new retail investors, that's exactly how they think. They buy Jasmine, they buy this. Ooh, I'm going to put $1,000 here. And if it goes to 1 cent, I'm going to go crazy. If it goes to $1, oh my God. They don't understand tokenomics. They just understand that this thing is 0.0000. They don't know tokenomics, guys. They don't understand diminished returns. They don't understand unlocks, right? They don't understand that stuff. If it was a fair launch, they know nothing about that. They only know that this is stupid cheap, 0.0000. If it goes to 1 cent, oh my God. So they're going to be looking at Pepe. They're going to be looking at Bonk. They're going to be looking at Floki. Trust me. I'm telling you. I'm telling you how this works. I've been in a bull market before. I know how it works. There's going to be another meme coin that makes its way to the top 10. The thing is, I don't know which one is going to be, but I'll give you an idea. Right now, in the top 10, for as far as meme coins, is only Doge. Shiba Inu is number 12. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Here's what can contend to be in the top 10 as a meme coin. Pepe. Not Pepe coin, Pepe could make it to the top 10. That means 2 meme coins in the top 10. There's another meme coin that I'm going to mention that can make it into the top 10. Dog with a hat or Bonk. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you. Dog with a hat, with or Bonk. And then there's a sleeper out there that can take both whiff and Bonk down in market cap. And that literally is Dog. The number 1 meme coin on the Bitcoin blockchain, Dog. It's Dog to the moon. That one right there can take Bonk and whiff down in market cap and go into the top 10. That means 2 memes in the top 10. Whatever second meme makes it in the top 10 is going to go absolutely crazy. Don't say I didn't warn you. When people come into crypto and they're looking to see where they're back, this ebook has created millionaires because it has given people information that they wasn't privy to. They didn't have the information about what market cycles and all that stuff. They wasn't protecting their cryptos on centralized exchanges. They didn't know a bunch of stuff that's in this ebook. And so that helped them get right to the foundation. And then, of course, watching me on my lives, they just started ramping things up. And so it's important that I go over this today. So let's do it. By the way, for those of you who are sitting back and you're watching this, it also means that you're going to get an opportunity to see what's in the ebook. Right. A lot of y'all are also asking when is altcoin season going to happen? I'm going to show you when altcoin season is going to happen. They're going to. You don't have no crystal. Calvin, you don't have a crystal ball. I'm going to show you when I believe altcoin season is going to happen. You might want to be here for it. So let's go over this crypto cheat guide. Let's go over this crypto cheat guide and see what's up. See if this is worth your investing in yourself. Go. By the way, it's not just me talking. It's really, really good alpha. This is what it looks like. The link is in the bio for those who want to grab it. That's the cover. Pretty strong cover. The crypto cheat guide. The quick guide to cryptocurrency. Okay, great. Introduction. Crypto basics. Listen, I'm giving you, so y'all know how much of a fair guy I am and how much I don't like to guard information. I'm literally going to go over the ebook, but I'm pulling my camera back enough to where you can screenshot. I'm not trolling you. I'm not as good as Bingo at trolling, so he's going to sit over to the side, but I'm not trolling you. I'm going to make sure that you can screenshot, because for those of you who I haven't earned the right to do business with you, you was going to screenshot anyway. You never was going to be my customer angel. AI or Ride Chain, PAL. I've been telling my audience about this for a long time, guys. Meme coins. Which meme coins are pumping right now? Calvin, those meme coins are down. Meme coins pump last. See, this is why you need to read the ebook again. Let me go over here and show it to you before we get into some gangster stuff. for the week right now, look at your meme coins. Look, the big ones. These are the monsters right here. These are down. We already know I told you about these ones here. But look at, why are the meme coins down? Well, it's in the ebook. Listen, why are the meme coins down right now, Calvin? Why are they not pumping? Why are you not reading this ebook? It tells you here that this is about balance and diversification, and this is a hierarchy system. Everything runs through Bitcoin first. Bitcoin is the first thing that moves. Listen, y'all not listening, and this is going to make sense. Everything moves through Bitcoin first. Bitcoin was the first one to take off and do crazy numbers up there, going up there to approach 100 G's. And now Bitcoin has started cooling off a little bit. Guess what's pumping now? Your large cap, your L1s. Somebody, I triple double dog somebody to call me a liar. Is it not the L1s that are pumping now? These ones here? Hierarchy system. Money moves from here into these. Then it moves from these and it starts going into the riskier stuff. DeFi, NFT platforms, metaverse. Then it starts going into low and micro cap gems. Then it goes to the meme. When these finish pumping, it'll keep flowing down. The meme coins are gonna catch up. They just go last. Somebody say the meme coins go last. That's all. We don't have a whole bunch of money here. Our money is over here and in this. Once we make our money here, then we take it and we store it in USDT Tether or put more into Bitcoin and then let the money flow down into this stuff right here. I shouldn't even be teaching you this because it's in the ebook. Those who don't read the ebook, they're just going to keep on getting crushed. Why do you think we make more money than everyone else? We know how this works. All of y'all that got all those meme coins and your portfolio is not pumping, you're pissed off because the L1s are pumping. Why didn't you read the ebook? It's a hierarchy system. By the time we take our money out of Bitcoin, put it into the L1 so Ethereum and Solana and all that stuff can pump. We take our money from that and we diversify, put a little bit more in Bitcoin because we're storing the value, move some into some fiat currency so we can go buy some real estate or whatever. Then we start pushing it down into the more riskier things like, meme coins. It's true. This is true. That's why I wrote it and put it in my ebook. I'm serious. This is so true. Now, I have to address just a couple people. Not all of y'all. Somebody said this is free alpha. Let's just address a couple people. Not everybody. Now let's go over here and let's look at these things for the month because we're in a parabolic stage of this bull market. Things are going to start going. We're in this going to the parabolic. Let's go here to the month now. Okay, now there you go. There you go. You start seeing all of this stuff starting to wake up and look alive. You got your Doge over there, your Pepe, your Mogs, and your dog, and this Doge right here. Right? Pay attention. Look at gaming and metaverse. Look at that. Sandbox, Beam, Altura, like Super will start catching up in a minute. All of that stuff is over here, right? Risky Jewels, I got those. Right? Phantasma Soul, Aurora, all of that. Somebody say, yeah, he just, right now, he's just showing out a little bit just to show you. Deepen narratives. Decentralized, infrastructure. It's, your Akashas, your renders, your AOs, your Filecoins, and yeah, deepen projects. For those of you who think that I'm just chasing, look, watch this, look. Look, holdings, Solana, Pepe, right? This is actually something that has been pushed into Fetch, but Superverse, Render, Akash, right? Listen, Akash, Render, look, hold, wait, hold up, hold up, bruh. See, y'all play too much. No. Render, Akash, Avalanche. Look, you play too much. I'll make 6 figures, 7 figures and some of these things is what I'm trying to tell you. Back over here. Look. Sui, BitTensor Tau, V-Chain, guys. Okay, Near Protocol. There's Bitcoin. Artificial Liquid Intelligence, Sologenic, Stellar Loom. Wow. There's Stellar right there. Hey, there's Stellar right there. Look. 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 XRP is right there too. Look. I don't know why people not understanding this. I don't know why they not understanding it. All of them are on here. All of them are on here. Look. Why? Why, guys? Over here, look. Hedera hat, H-bar. Y'all excited about H-bar? I got that. Look. H-bar is on here, I promise you. Back over here. There's PAL, there's Floki, there's Citus, there's Immutable, there's Cellframe, there's Wojak, there's Altura. The Graph, Jasmine. I have these. That was for because I wanted to address somebody because they said, oh, he's just chasing and he's just a bandwagoner or whatever. Yeah, I know. I know, bro. 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 Cal don't hold Gala? Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm showing you a portfolio that this is not even this is the smaller one. I'm showing you the stuff. This is the smaller portfolio. This is the small one. I don't show it a lot. But I told you that as this thing starts getting more aggressive, that I would show it. All y'all getting excited about stuff like veracity and stuff like that. It's like, okay. This is... I'm thinking of words that I want to say here. Give me a second. Somebody said, this is Sparta. It is. It is. Y'all have to stop playing. I'm taking my time on these words. Please stop playing around with one of the greatest opportunities, if not the greatest opportunity that has come your way in the last 20 years. Everything I just said, those words that I just said, because I wanted to take my time to find those words. Let me say it to you again. It's a statement I'm making. Please stop playing around with one of the greatest, if not the greatest, opportunity that you've had to build wealth in the last 20 years. The amount of money that is being created right now from the blockchain is just insane. Sometimes I can't wrap my head around it. Me, personally, I can't wrap my head around it. Some of y'all, I'm not even close to the talent that you have. You speak better than me. You understand numbers better than I do. You present information better than me. Some of y'all run circles around me, and I understand that. I am just unapologetically me. I deliver my information the way I deliver it. I know I have a lot of intellectual property. I ain't no slouch. Some of y'all probably figured that out. My IQ is way up there. But I'm also smart enough to know that, I probably don't have the intelligence of the average Roman. You wasn't expecting that. You wasn't expecting that one right there. Yeah, I'm smart. You Dumbo stop. You listen to what I just said. Because see, you got to listen to how I present it. I'm probably not as smart as the average intelligence of a Roman from back in the day. So you got to watch how I say that to you now, because you might say, oh, yeah, you just average. You're below average. But, remember the Romans and their engineering and what they was doing, we still haven't figured that out in modern day technology. They had no idea. How the hell did they build those aqueducts with only 1 foot drops for miles and miles and miles? Okay. The mile, speaking of mile, that came from the Romans. Somebody say my intellectual property is up there. The mile, the term mile, that came from the Romans, from the roads that they built for their soldiers. Yeah. Bridges and stuff like that. That came from the Romans. Julius Caesar was like, yeah, we're going over there and we need to go conquer that right there. And we got this water. How about we just invent technology to go across that shit on the spot? These boys were smart, is what I'm trying to tell you. So if I tell you that I just probably don't have the average intelligence of the ancient Romans, don't think I'm a slouch, is what I'm trying to tell you. They still can't figure the shit out. They said, wait a minute, whoa. Hold on. They built this whole dome with unreinforced concrete? What the hell? Yeah, but their concrete is not like modern day concrete. Their concrete is water resistance. It actually can set underwater. Excuse what? Yeah, they was something about volcanic ash but yeah, they're better than you. Today, they still better than you. Shit. All right, let's get back to what I was saying. That was a little side curve right there. These are facts, what I'm telling you. You go watch some information about the Romans, you will be thoroughly impressed. Like, God damn, how do you do that? How do you actually build something to where you got a coliseum where they fight, and then you can flood hundreds of thousands of gallons of water so that they can fight and battle on ships and drain it out the same day? They still ain't figured that shit out. These boys used to flood the Colosseum with water, and the water held when they brought in ships to battle in front of the Caesar. And then when it was done, they would drain the water out the same day. Some of y'all can't even drain y'all goddamn swimming pool in one day. Stop playing. The Romans is nothing to play around with. You can't even fill and drain your swimming pool in one day. Stop it. Let's keep it real. I don't know how I got there. I have no idea how I got there. But some people need to understand this is real stuff. Listen, whoa, Elvis. No, whoa, wait a minute. See what's going on here. Power of published clips. Elvis, listen, bro, you talking about, you asking, you said at power published clip. Dude, do you want my 24-word phrase as what? Oh my God. You are not talking to me. Oh my God. Moderate. I need more moderate. Sarah, are you on here, Sarah? I'm finna start. What? You are getting ready to give somebody your 24. They're gonna steal all your crypto. You're not talking to me, bro. Let me go back to this ebook. This is another man, anybody don't buy this ebook, they just asking for trouble. They just asking for trouble. You're asking for trouble. Going down. Look. Look. I'm serious, man. Stop playing. Chapter 10, Crypto Scams. If you don't read this ebook and definitely don't read chapter 10, your crypto is going away from people that look like this. That's a scary thought when it comes to your crypto, as I'm telling you. Impersonations, gaining your trust, promoting scams, direct messaging you, requesting your crypto assets. I'm talking to you, bro. You're getting ready to give somebody your 24 seed word phrase. They're going to steal all your crypto will be gone. Amplification, disappearing acts on you. Somebody say don't do it. Read the ebook. Ponzi's, fake initial coin offers, and pump and dump scheme, phishing, ransomware attacks, malware, fake cryptocurrency exchanges on you. Avoiding it on social media. I'm talking to you, bro. Verify. Be wary of celebrity endorse. Avoid too good to be true offers. Don't share personal information. You know, like your 24 phrase seed word phrase. Scammers may attempt to steal your personal information such as wallet addresses or private keys. Private keys is bolded here. This ebook is $27. Some of y'all are holding thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands of dollars worth of crypto. You're going to let $27 worth of supreme alpha information about crypto. I can't save everybody, man. I'm trying, though. Father God, I'm doing the best I can to help people get out of poverty-stricken environments. Do you hear my words? I said, Father God, I am trying everything I can to get people out of poverty-stricken environments. Some of y'all are just so anxious to be rich that you're willing to bypass common sense. You have zero patience, so you're willing to just trust any and everybody and everything just to try to get financially free. Please don't. Please don't. Man, that was scary what I just read there. Y'all not hearing me, man. Somebody's getting ready. They asked somebody, do you want me to give you my 24 seed phrase? Do you know when they have the 24 phrases, that seed phrase, they don't even need your crypto wallet. They can go and buy a new ledger and put your seed phrase in and recover all your crypto from the new ledger. You're not, listen, man. You didn't hear what I said. You give somebody your 24 seed phrase password, they don't even need your physical ledger anymore. They can go buy a new ledger and put those seed phrases in and recover and take all your crypto. Everybody's crypto is on the blockchain. You're giving them your seed phrase to go recover the crypto on a new ledger. Please. That means they don't have to show up with to your house with that thing on their hip. It's not going to be a face-to-face type of robbery. It's literally just, they're going to go and just grab all your crypto because you gave them your seed phrase. Jeez, man. Y'all pray for this community, man. Y'all pray for this community, man. This is getting bad because people want to get rich, and the more this stuff goes up, the crazier people gonna get. On both sides. On both sides. Sorry, that just took me back. Cal, we need some TA, please. Okay. It's 10:31. Let's do some TA real quick. Not gonna go deep into it. You already know I know how to read charts. I'm gonna go here to the daily chart and let's do some technical analysis. Let's do some technical analysis. Money out of Bitcoin, that's when the altcoins start running. All right, so if you're wondering why these altcoins are now starting to go crazy, is because Bitcoin went crazy first. How many people remember that when Bitcoin was doing all of this right here, the altcoins wasn't doing much of anything? But Bitcoin is pulling back now, meaning people are taking profits out of Bitcoin, putting a little bit into the altcoins. The altcoins are running up. Read my ebook to understand that. Here's Bitcoin on the daily chart. Calvin, what do you see, right? Well, first thing I see is I have this set. It's an alert. I have an alert set for $100,000 Bitcoin. And I told my trading view, alert me every time we hit 100 bands, because I'm going to produce a bazillion pieces of content when we hit $100,000. You better believe that. So we got right there, really, 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 really close, but no cigar. So what do you see right now then, Calvin? Well, I can tell you right now that Bitcoin is getting some resistance. Somebody say this is just real TA. The resistance is basically around about $99,000. Resistance, resistance, resistance. This right here is a live candle. It's got 20 hours, 26 minutes, and 30-something seconds before it closes. More than likely, if this gets up here and it doesn't have enough juice, it will get rejected just like these other three candles. Somebody say he's just keeping it real with you. I also can see here that we have some support going on here. Somebody say, yep, support, 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 support. Until Bitcoin, and unless Bitcoin crashes down past this line right here, it will remain bullish. It's just moving sideways right now. Somebody say, yep, that's really sideways, because if you take this, that's the top, and this right here is pretty much the bottom. So at this particular point, Bitcoin is moving sideways. It's going sideways, all right? So it's not going up like this. It's not going down like this. No, right now it's moving sideways. Doesn't look sideways to me. That's because you're looking at daily candles. What if I go over here and show you more candles like the 8-hour chart? You sure it's not moving sideways? I'm asking you a real question. That's not moving sideways to you? Let me go and show you the 1-hour chart. These are 1-hour candles. Hey, do you still have that same argument that you said when I was looking at the daily chart? Bitcoin is moving sideways, sirs and ma'ams. Okay? And everything that I just showed you down here, like I said, is support. So that means Bitcoin could come losing out. Look, this is support, resistance up here, support down here. Bitcoin could come crashing down here and literally come all the way down here to around $94,000, and it'll still be bullish. Do you believe me if I tell you that? Well, I'm telling you that. Bitcoin could come down to 94 grand and still be bullish. That's a fact now. So that's what you're dealing with right now. $99,000 is resistance for Bitcoin. We have some support, which is a sliding scale. We have room from where we are now all the way down to $94,000. And it's still crazy bullish. That's your TA. If you just want to know exactly where, you know, like the level of like short-term support is, I'll give you that right now. I'll give you that right now. And this is the number, and I'm going to make it round. I'm going to round it up for you. Do you mind if I do that for you? Let's go here, coordinates. I'm just going to say 99,000 is resistance, and I'm going to say 97.7. Let's just call it 98, 97,000. I'm going to say 97,000 is support. No, that's too much. I'm a little bit more stickler than that. Here we go, right there. So now let's round that up. 97,250, I'll go with that. There's your resistance, short term, $99,000. That's resistance, short term. There's your short term support, 97,250. How do I know that? Support, 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 support. If you lose that support, look, this is resistance, resistance. That's support, support, Look, resistance, resistance. You get the idea. So somebody say, yep, that's true. 99,000 short-term resistance, 97,250 short-term support. That's your TA. If you lose this right here, 97,250, you can come all the way down here to around 94,000 and we will still be bullish on the macro. It's a fact. It's a fact. Did y'all get that? Y'all got those numbers? Y'all got those numbers? Did y'all write them down or screenshot it? Do you want to screenshot it? If it's okay, you screenshot. Okay, look, let me put this down here. So I said 94,000. I'm gonna give y'all an opportunity to screenshot this. Watch this. I know how to chart now. Let me click on this so y'all can get off. I want y'all to screenshot this now. Before you screenshot, let me show you. Remember I said that this is a sliding scale. Look, support, 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 support. If it loses this short-term support, 97,250, it could come down here hitting this white line. And I said around 94,000. Well, why did you choose 94,000 if it came down here, if this is a sliding scale? Because, I mean, down here is way down here. This is pretty much resistance. Resistance, look at that. This is where we found our support to do this number. Right here at around $94,000, where it was resisted right here and supported here before it took off. Somebody say he knows how to chart, and you might as well just listen to him. So you can screenshot this if you want to. It doesn't matter if you don't, but I'll screenshot it if you want me to be petty. I will. Did y'all get it? Okay. Now let me show you something else on this. I'm not even going to screenshot that. I'm not even going to be reminding people that I told them that. Somebody wanted me to do TA, so that's what I'm doing. I'm erasing all of that stuff. Okay, now let's go here and let's look at something else. Let's go back over here to the daily. Let's go back over here and let's look at the daily real quick. I'm charting this out in front of everybody so, you know, you can see it with your own eyes. I happen to know that this right here is support. This, look, support, 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 support. This is where we kind of took off right here. And up there is where I showed you that resistance is at right here, where we getting most of these touches on these candles right here. Boom, boom, boom. So this is our level of support right here that we came off. This is the daily chart now. So if I'm looking at that and I'm trying to figure out as we come off of this support and we meet this resistance, can you kind of tell me where Bitcoin could end up coming down to? Yeah. Yeah, we do something like this. I'm taking this last wick right here for sure. Not those I'm taking this right here. From there to where this wick is right here, pay attention. Okay. Look at this Fibonacci retracement. That will be the 23% level around 96 grand. If Bitcoin bumps its head up against this and it has to come down, your first level that it will hit will be the 23% level, about 96,000. Then you start coming down here to the 38% level. Notice that that's $94,000 for the most part. Somebody say, yeah, right there where there's is resistance and support. Somebody say he just knows how to chart. I promise you he does. Right, then the 50% levels here at 92.5. That's way, way down here, guys. You don't want to see this. Okay, look at that. Resistance and support. You don't want to see Bitcoin coming down here to this 50. I'm just telling you. You want this thing to at least hit this 23% level and come rallying back up. That makes it strong. At the worst case, you come down here to 94 grand, bounce off of this, because you do not want to see Bitcoin getting past 38 or 23% level. It means that it is weakening. Do you believe me? You don't want to see it? I'm not expecting that, by the way, but, you know, if you just want to know if that's what it was, there you go. There you go. Well, is that TA right there? Does that settle everybody for the TA that you wanted for what was going on with Bitcoin? There you go. Now we need to look at some other stuff. I gave you all the numbers. All right, let's get rid of all of that. Don't need that in my life. It's just what it is. Somebody says it's never enough. God dang it. Well, I want to show y'all something. I got some screenshots I want to show y'all. These screenshots are something else. I'll tell you that much. These screenshots are something else. I'm going here. Let's see here. Oh man, I got to show you something else. This is going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting. Very, very much. So this will be interesting for sure. I got to pull one more thing up here. I got to pull up this stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI. Oh, boy. Boy. Okay. Let me click on this. Yeah. All right. Let me show you what I was screenshotted the other day. The other day I screenshotted this, meaning like November the 21st. Right? You paying attention? November 21st, you see it? Bitcoin dominance is at 60.50%. Hey guys, men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. 60.5. This is the weekly chart. And look what I wrote right here. I said altcoin season starts February of 2025. Because this is a weekly chart, it takes a long time for these RSIs on the stochastic to move up and down. But I drew it out for people. I said, hey, we're going to come down here, then we'll do this, and then we'll, but this, which is my EMA ribbons, they're going to start curving over. Now, because we're on a weekly chart, you might not believe that. It doesn't look like it right now. I know, you're looking at it and say, don't look like nothing to me. This don't look like nothing until I start showing you differently. You sure? You sure? Hey, listen, I'm going to help you out because I keep telling people I know how to chart. I drew this line down here as well. Not only did I draw this line, I drew this. I said this is going to come down and is going to end up being oversold, and then it will rally back up, and then we will come down, and that's when you're going to get this curve. Hey, look, match this up now. Look at this and look at this. I want to make sure you match it up. Look, let me squinch it up a little bit so you can see it. Look at where it was when I drew this line. Look at where we were. We was right here. Look at where we are now. Hey, pay attention. Look at the number, 58.87. We was at 60.50, and this was here. Look at where it is now, and look at the number. This is happening. I keep trying to tell y'all, for those who don't, I did this for you, and I wrote it. Altcoin season starts in February. Don't worry. These receipts will be receipting. I'm going to remind people for sure. Y'all are trying to figure out why these altcoins are going nuts. The Bitcoin dominance is falling down right now. But I told everybody 2 days ago. So when they woke up and they started seeing these altcoins go ape shit, 2 days ago, I told you what was going to happen. I said, hey, I'm going to screenshot this. And now here it is. I've opened up 15 positions. See, I'm only making it real. I'm making it more real for people. Since I gave y'all that information 2 days ago, I just went over here and opened up 15 positions. There they are. I opened them up just to get the party started. These numbers right here mean nothing. This is just a little measly 3 little X. You know what I'm saying? With margin, I put up about $500 on these little things right here. So this is just getting the party started before I start ramping these up, pushing this up to a 10X and ramping my margin and stuff like that. But I'm getting the party started right now. Don't worry. These numbers right here mean nothing. This is just a little measly 3 little X. You know what I'm saying? With margin, I put up about $500 on these little things right here. So this is just getting the party started before I start ramping these up, pushing this up to a 10x and ramping my margin and stuff like that. But I'm getting the party started right now. Don't worry. This is for my audience. This is for the G's. These for my OGs. OGs, let me show you something. It's for the OGs and for the people that got into coaching. they know what these numbers are now. You're like, yep, I absolutely know what it is. Well, look at this. This is a different account, is what I'm trying to tell you. Listen, guys, listen. Bring it in. This is a different account. I'm just getting warmed up on this account. Look at these numbers right here. You see that, but this is a different account too, you know. These are live active trades. These are not screenshots. These are live. They're just they're just getting started. Look, 3x, 3x. I'm just getting started with these. I have different accounts for different stuff. I'm not lying. I said, the people that's been coaching with me, they now understand what it. Remember I told y'all short-term, mid-term? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about right now. I'm just going into the different accounts that are short-term, mid-term. So now, look, this is a totally different account. Look, he's got different accounts. Look, this is a different one here. Notice, look at the assets. They're different. Look at this. These are 4X's getting the party started. See? I'm just going through here, and I'm just because this is serious business. What I'm teaching people. It's not even a game. It's not even a game. Let's go into this with it. Oh my gosh, I'm not even going down further than this one. Oh, down further than this one. Oh. These are some. I can put this together. I'm getting prepared for the stupid stuff that comes here going toward February. This stuff that you're looking at now, that stuff will be tens of thousands of dollars. Then I have accounts that I will not show. I just refuse, where I'm not playing around with $500 and $600 and $700. I'm playing around with $10,000 and $20,000 trades. Those numbers look like 200,000, 120, 50,000. Some people can't handle that though. I have to keep the numbers small so that I can remain being like a normal guy. People can believe 1,400 or 500 or 700. They can believe that. They can't believe 7,000 and 70,000. They ain't gonna believe that shit. All right. We charted. We know what's going on here. Now let's get to just the questions that y'all really want to ask. Calvin, am I too late for crypto? No. Calvin, what are the best cryptos to invest in? If you grab my crypto cheat guide, it's going to give you a base. I'll just show you the crypto cheat guide, what's in there. That gives you a base. But you need to understand right now, you're looking for the rest of this bull cycle, you're looking comfortably for 3 to 10x. Please do not go complete total degen trying to chase 50 and 100x pumps. Stop it. At the stage that we are in right now, you need to make sure that you are comfortable with 3 to 10x gains. By the way, this is more money than you ever dreamed about. We're talking about 300 to 1,000% on your money. Where in the hell are you going to do that in the next year and a half? Right here. So 3 to 10x, which is 300 to 1,000% on your money. That's what you need to be comfortable with. If you run up on a 20 or 50x, good. That's fantastic. But your concentration should be 3 to 10 if you're just getting into crypto right now. For the OGs, you already have seen what 20 and 30 and 50x's look like. You're done. You bought in 2022. You know what this looks like. You accumulated in 2023. You're just hanging on right now. What you and I will be doing is concentrating on what stuff we need to do as far as like your trading account. Your spot stuff is great. Some of y'all are holding hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of crypto. A measly little 3x. And when I say measly, I'm speaking crypto terms. I'm not talking about traditional finance. I'm not talking about TradFi. So I want to make sure that I'm clear on here in case somebody, like was recording this and they try to put like a clip it on here. Now, let me say it to you. Measly little 3x. I'm speaking crypto. Stellar Lumens and all that. They did 300 and 400 and 500%. They did that in a week. So when I say a measly 300%, a 3x, that's turning your $300,000 worth of crypto to 900,000. That's a measly 3x. Welcome to the 2 Comma Club, by the way. Anybody holding $300,000 worth of crypto, you are a millionaire. 200,000, you are a millionaire. $100,000 worth of crypto, you are close to a millionaire if you're in the right projects. You will be somewhere between $500,000 and $1 million. For those of you, and I've met a couple of you, I've talked to you. For those of you who are holding $500,000 worth of crypto, you are a multi-millionaire. You are part of the 2 Comma Club multiple times. A measly 3x, 300% across the board is $1.5 million. This is just facts. That means a measly little 4x puts you at 2 million. You understand what I'm saying? Welcome to the 2 Comma Club multiple times. $250,000 in crypto and stuff like that. These people are millionaires. I don't know why y'all acting like they're not. They are. I'm talking about basics with basic holdings of crypto, like from here, Cardano and Solana, and those things are going to do 3, 4, 5, 6x from where they are right now. Having some L1s, having some mid caps, and then some degen plays literally takes you to the stratosphere. I'm only keeping it real. So you're not too late to be in crypto. If you're wondering what altcoins you should be in, read my ebook. It gives you a good base. You can't go wrong. Let me just show it to you right now. These are in my book. You can screenshot them if you want to, but they're in the ebook. Here's what they have done in the last day. It says right here, Crypto Cheat Guide. This is what they've done in the last 24 hours. In case you wanted to know if I was steering you in the right direction. Here's what they have done for the last 7 days. Okay? Here's what they have done for the last 30 days. And here's what they look like for the year. In case you wanted to know if I was steering you in the right direction. I promise you, I am. The numbers are the numbers. So learn that. You are good to go. You're going to make more money than having your money in a savings account. Only fact. Go do the numbers for yourself. Your savings account's not going to beat that. The S&P 500 is not going to beat those numbers. The S&P 500 is not going to beat the numbers over there that's in my ebook. No. Matumbo finger on you. No. It's not. So you're good to go. That means investing a $27 ebook, you automatically know without paying someone that's sitting behind a desk with a suit on, calling himself or theirselves an accountant or a financial advisor. How much is that going to cost you? You're paying this person 1% of your wealth, which, by the way, is not 1%. It ends up being hundreds of thousands of dollars. For those who think it, you need to pay them a flat fee. I don't have time to explain that to you today. But for those of you who have accountants or financial advisors and you're paying them 1% to manage your portfolio, in that shit tomorrow. Watch this. Listen to my words. Listen to my words. When it comes to crypto, I cannot give you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not qualified. So nothing I say here on my lives is financial advice when it comes to crypto. You want to know what is financial advice, though? If you are paying your financial advisor 1% to manage your wealth, Stop that shit. That is financial advice. Pay them a flat fee. Stop paying them 1% because it is not 1%. Now, if you don't believe me, why don't you go to them and ask them to explain to you what 1% really means when it comes to building your wealth that they're managing for you. I said the financial advice on that is stop that shit today. I can say that. It's ridiculous. Somebody said paid advisor 1.5%, they got me 50%. Let me see if I can find it. Watch this. Let me watch this. I'm here to help this audience. No, for real. I'm not. I got to make sure people get with it. Give me a second. I'm finna show y'all something. Some of y'all don't know this, but you about to find out right now that you need to stop that. Let me see here. Wow, portfolio pay. Formats, fee structure, I'm trying to show y'all that is gonna, boy, that's gonna rob y'all of y'all wealth. Oh, here you go, right here. Look. This is in a Reddit forum. I don't have time to go hunt the whole thing down for it. Look, if you pay a financial advisor 1%, it can cost you 28% of your lifetime investments returns. I'm serious. 1% can cost you 28%. Can you imagine making $1 million and paying somebody $300,000? Can you imagine building up $1 million and your advisor taking $300,000? That's what I'm trying to tell you. Not good. It's not good. You pay them a flat fee and you keep it pushing. You play a flat fee and you keep it pushing. Don't be paying these people 1%. Somebody said plus taxes on top of that. I know. Don't forget about inflation that happens every year that they gotta. Don't forget about that. Can you talk about Myria? Yeah, Myria is a great project. It's a small little cap. Well, is Myria still small? Yeah, 62 million. It's a low cap gem. So it's a low cap gem right now. Anything under 50 million is considered a micro cap. 50 million to 250 million is called a low cap gem. Myria is still a low cap gem. And so, yeah, I have it. Nice little joint for stuff that's going on in like gaming and stuff like that. What's your 100x crypto? This is a great question, but it's a very bad question. I'm serious. This is a great question, but it's a bad question for me. Because my 100x cryptos is not going to be the same as yours if you wasn't buying in 2022. Like I'm holding cryptos that are up right now 40, 50, and 60x right now because I bought them in 2022. Right? And so that means if they go on to do 100x, that means I can answer you questions, and questions will be stuff like Solana. Listen, if I give you Solana right now, from where we are right now, it's nowhere near 100x. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. This is good stuff, because a lot of people, they won't do this because, first of all, they can't. They wasn't here, right? So I'm gonna pull up Sol real quick. Pull up Solana. These questions right here. This is gonna teach a lot of people that's on my live. It's gonna teach you to stop asking these questions from people, and again, start reading my crypto cheat guide. Because if you ask these questions from somebody on YouTube or somebody on Twitter, they're going to give you an answer, and it's going to be the right answer. But the thing that they're not doing is they're not going to give you the backstory behind why they gave you that answer. So I'm going to pull up Solana right here in front of everybody, and I'm answering this question, and you say, well, what's 100x crypto? And if I say something like Solana, you got to say, well, no, that's cap. That's a lie. Solana, 100x. Come on, man. Yeah, you can do that. Let me show you. Pay attention. We're looking at Solana. This is right here. Solana's old time high. Look, the high for Solana back in the last cycle, 2021, was $258, which is right here. Newsflash, by the way, Solana just created a higher high. Solana's going to go way higher than where it is right now. It's literally sitting at its old all-time high. Somebody say, oh my God. So let me just show you. This was the old all-time high right here. And this was the bottom of where Solana came down to in the bear market. You see it right here? I want to make sure that we're on the same page now. Solana came down here to around about $9, right? It actually was about $8 on some other exchanges. But you see that? That was January of 2023. Is everybody in agreement that Solana's all-time high, right, from the last cycle was about $258, $259 and came crashing down to about $9? That's normal. If you read my ebook, remember it says that altcoins crash 80 to 90%. Well, newsflash, that's 96%. So somebody say, read his ebook, it's in there. Now that we know that Solana was down here at the bottom, pay attention. It has gone through this 23% level, the 236.68. If you don't know what I mean when I say 23% level, this all-time high from back in the last cycle, that was 100% of what Solana did. That's why there's a 1 there. And then this is the 0 mark, meaning that was the absolute bottom of the move. This is 23% of the way back up here, 38%, 50%. You get the idea, all right? So this is called the 236 or 23% of the way back up. This is a Fibonacci retracement. Solana absolutely hit that. Solana hit the 38% level, 50% level, 618, and it tapped the 786 then before it came down here and found itself pretty much found its footing at the 50% level, which is super bullish, by the way. Now it is up past the 618, back past the 786, and it is now in price discovery. If this was the all-time high from the last cycle, this right here put Solana in price discovery, breaking past that. Now I know it's back down it a little bit, but I'm just telling you, Solana is basically in price discovery, is what I'm trying to tell you. Now watch this. Look what's on this Fibonacci retracement up to the upside. What can Solana do in the rest of this bull cycle? The 1618 is $400, 416. The 2618, about 668. The 3618, 919, and the top of this Fibonacci is $1,000. Now let's get back to that question that you asked me, and you said, hey, give me a 100x. Well, anybody who was buying Solana down here at the bottom of the bull market, pay attention to where Solana is right now, right? They're sitting on about a 22 or 23x. It's 2,300%. That's a 23x. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. That means this right here is a 38x. Solana going up here and hitting this is a 60x. Do you see what I'm saying to you now? You're going to get different answers, aren't you? This is an 83x, and Solana up here is basically 100 damn x. So if I came on here and you asked me, Calvin, give me 100x, and I said Solana, if I said that, for me, it would be true. I was buying Solana down here at $13. This would actually be something that could do 100x. And I wouldn't be lying. I would be telling the truth. But you would think it's a lie, because if I just said Solana and I didn't give you the backstory like I just gave you of when I actually acquired Solana it would make no damn sense. You literally would tell that to somebody and they would be like, he's a liar. Solana ain't gonna do no 100x. Solana's $259. And so in that green dotted line is where Solana is trading right now. Getting up here would only be a 3x. Solana going up here to $1,000 is only going to be about a 3x for anybody buying Solana right damn now. Do you understand the difference, what I'm saying to you? That's why I wrote my crypto cheat guide, and I want people to understand the market cycles, what happens in a bear market, what happens in a bull market. People are going to be selling you 50x's, 100x's, 20x's. When did they get into the cycle? More importantly, when did you start acquiring your crypto? What cycle did you enter into? Or what portion of the cycle? Was it accumulation year? Did you start at the beginning of this year? The Bitcoin halving cycle, right? Later now, you just got into 2 weeks ago. Solana's not going to do 100x for you. 2 to 3x from where it is right now, comfortably. Can it do a little bit more than that? Shit, yeah. I mean, some people think it might do 2,000%. I mean, $2,000. Well, if Solana does $2,000, do you realize that for me, Solana's going to be doing hundreds of X's? Shit. It's craziness. You need to now understand that you're a little bit behind the curve. You're not too late. You're still going to make money, 3 to 10x's from here comfortably with a lot of these cryptos. But for those crazy gains, wealth building, you have to wait until all of these things come crashing back down in a bear market. Unfortunately, you're going to have to wait until 2026 toward the, you got to wait because we're going toward the parabolic phase of this thing now. That's going to get you your 3 to 10x's on your cryptos. And then guess what? We're going to all be a bunch of people going to be wealthy for sure. And they're going to start taking their profits, and it's going to be something that cascades the market down for sure. A cascading event. Boom, 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 boom. Everybody's taking their profits back into a bear market. That'll be 2026 for sure. It'll be 2026. And so you have to wait. If this is going into the parabolic phase, you read my ebook, that means 2026 will be a bear market. 2027 will be accumulation year. 2028 will be the Bitcoin halving cycle. And then 2029 will be going into that parabolic phase of the bull run, going into 2030 when things are crazy like artificial intelligence with $100 trillion market cap. For those of you who haven't paid attention to that and know that information. Stuff gets crazy in 2030, guys. Somebody said, can I get your ebook? Yes, the link is in my bio. Here you go, right here. Here you go. Go to this link right here, brother. This is my first time showing the link on the live today, powerofpublish.co. Somebody say, yep, powerofpublish.co. You can grab the combo. This book shows you how to make 100 G's from your house so you have more money to put into crypto. Ask anybody about this combo. It's crucial. If you just want the cheat guide by itself, there you go. And if you want the audio version of the cheat guide, it's right here. There's the link. Powerofpublish.co. Now let me show y'all something. Everybody's screaming about XRP right now. Is this true? Listen, everybody's screaming about XRP. XRP. Even screaming about some XLM. This is true. Do y'all mind if I just be totally just transparent here for a second? Because when somebody like me goes live, then people that don't know me, they're just like, okay, middle-aged black man on TikTok. Okay, here's somebody that's trying to act like they know something about crypto. Be honest. I mean, it's the look. It is what it is. I do this. This happens a lot, especially during this time. Everybody's an influencer. Everybody knows how to do crypto when we get around this time. So I'm just going to go here and I want to show y'all something. We know the XRP, 183% in the last 30 days. We know that. Here's what we also know. That this is my CoinStats account, right? Calvin Hill premium account. And I'm logged in. Obviously, I'm logged in. Refresh it just to make sure you logged in, bro. There's the refresh. Okay? And so you can see that it's pulling it up back again. Refresh it again, bro. Refresh. And there it is again. All right? Watch this. XRP. Right? Holdings. Look what I'm doing here. KuCoin. Pay attention. Roll in. Buy. Look, the blockchain doesn't forget anything, especially transactions. It will never, never, never forget. It's the blockchain. Now, look at this. Now I'm gonna click on XRP. XRP is trading at $1.47. Everybody's hyped about XRP. It's at 147. Pay attention. July 21st of 2022. That means I was buying XRP at 36 cents here. I bought some at 44 cents, 44, 36 cents. Look, I spent $500 and bought 1,400 XRP right there. It's 36 cents. You see it? That means I could go and click on one of these too. Look, if I go here and I click on this, it actually breaks it down. Here, I spent $2,000 to buy 5,300 XRP at 37 cents. That means on August the 12th, 2022 at 4:40 p.m., this initial investment is now worth $5,890 in profit, 292% gain. The total is $7,900. That means over here, all of these are in profit from me buying XRP. Not at this price where everybody else is hyped up about, buying it when nobody else wanted to buy it, when it was over here at 36 and 42 cents and 49 cents. Y'all didn't want to buy it then, but I was buying it. See? 44, 48, 44. This is the blockchain. It ain't gonna never forget these transactions. So men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. I can calculate for every single one of these. This is me buying 10,000 XRP. I bought $4,800 worth, 10,500. That's now worth 15 grand with a $10,000 profit. This is just getting started. I am not chasing the pump. I've been buying XRP, right? 39 cent XRP here. Look at the date. November 11th, 2022, 4:33 a.m. I am not buying XRP here. So, I totally believe the XRP is going to do somewhere between $5 and $10. And because I had that belief back in 2022, I just kept buying XRP. A little bit right there, a little bit right there. I was buying it at 40 cents for the most part. So I'm not impressed with this little 3X. It's going to do more than that for me. 8 to 10X. I'll be satisfied with that. Make me a couple $100,000 on XRP, and I'm good with that. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie, ain't it? I got every single transaction. Every last one. I could do this for all my cryptos. All of them. Somebody said, I'm easily pleased with that. I'm easily pleased. There are some people that wasn't with me in 2022. So when I showed them stuff like that, what it does is it reinforces the fact that they're in the right place. I didn't just start doing this. I told people I've been coaching and guiding people from the bear market. We was here when everybody else was scared of crypto. Everybody loves crypto now, including everybody loves crypto. Everybody loves crypto. Everybody loves it. Everybody. We was here. Everybody loves crypto. Never sell your Bitcoin. I know. Listen, guys. I'm gonna roll up out of here, man. I wanted to touch bases with y'all, make you laugh, but also give you some encouragement. You're not too late for crypto. You're gonna finish this cycle out. 3 to 10x on your money. If you're in this community here, 3 to 10x on your money. I don't care what it is. I'm just gonna put that out there. If you're watching and you're kind of looking and seeing what I'm showing, 3 to 10x on your money. So you'll be comfortable with that. So I don't care if it's 10,000, 1,000, 100,000, 500,000, 3 to 10x on your money. Congratulations. Then what we will focus on is, as we start getting into the later part of this, okay, as I get ready to end this, I don't want this to sound, I'm going to say this, but I don't want you to take it as if like this is a conceited thing or whatever. I'm throwing this out here this is genuine. I'm going to throw this out here. I'm going to throw this out here, and it's coming from the heart. Not over here, right here. It's coming from the heart. You are going to need me. I'm serious. When this thing starts going and getting stupid, meaning your cryptos are going absolutely nuts, you're going to need me to come in here and make sure that I ground you. Yeah, that did kind of sound conceited. Well, let me finish. I'm not done. But I'm also going to need you. You're going to need me, and I am going to need you. I'm serious. We're going to have to keep each other grounded. There is going to be an insane amount of money in your portfolio. We're going to have to ground one another. I'm going to have to tell you, hey, listen, I'm getting ready to start taking money off the table. I'm getting ready to start taking money. That's me reminding you that this doesn't go on forever and ever. The parabolic bull phase, people are going to get euphoric and people are going to start taking money out. I'm going to start telling you when, hey, I'm just telling you so y'all don't get mad as me as a community. I'm getting ready to start selling my crypto, which means if you don't start selling yours when I'm starting to kind of sell mine, I'm going to be you're going to get left holding the bag. I don't know no other way to say it. Please don't get left holding the bag. I promise you I will be 100% transparent with you when I'm getting my ass out this market. It's not now. It's nowhere near now. But when it happens, I promise you, I make a promise to you, not just you, but your family and your community. I'm going to tell you when I'm getting out. You make up your mind what you want to do after that. This way I can preserve my integrity. So you're not mad at me when I'm just like, well, I was out. Calvin, you know what I'm saying? I get you know what I'm saying? Nope, I told you. I told you when I was getting out. Told you when I was getting out. So you're going to need me and I'm going to need you. So, just know that. I got you. There's some people. Now, I want to say this to some of y'all, this won't mean anything, but there's a lot of people on here that they got in my coaching program and stuff like that or whatever, and they saw that how I handle that. For those of you who got your email right now and the Kajabi platform did what they did or whatever, I stood on business. I want to say this to you guys because I'm not doing an impromptu Google Meet right now with you guys, but I know a lot of you are on here. Let me say this. My integrity, I have to keep it intact, right? Did I handle that like a real gentleman? Was I 100% accountable? For those of you that don't realize it, I'm just going to throw this out here for shits and giggles. You know when someone has integrity? When they return hundreds of thousands of dollars back to people. I'm going to stand up. No, I'm going to stand up. Y'all play too much. We're in the height of a bull market. This thing is getting ready to go nuts. Do you know integrity is when you return back multiple six figures to people? In the height of a bull market. For those of you who haven't figured it out, with my skill set, I didn't return a couple hundred G's. I turned back millions of dollars. I'm saying this to my audience because they know better. They know. I did not return a couple six figures. What I returned back to you is 2 commas. A couple $100,000 to me in this market is millions of dollars. That's what I gave back millions of dollars to my customers. I don't got time for people to play with me. I worked my ass off to build this brand. I will protect it. That means attorneys had to come flying in here. We're not playing games. Please don't play with me. Not you guys. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying don't. I worked my butt off to build this brand up, and I will stand on business 100%. Gave back millions of dollars, and we're just gonna relaunch it and do it a different way. I will ride with it for sure, 100%. I wanted to throw that out there because there are a lot of the people that are on the live right now. So, as I've worked other stuff out, because we're getting ready to go into Thanksgiving and stuff like that. Of course, the holidays, my birthday is going to be coming up and all of that. But if you ever wanted to know if you was doing business with somebody with integrity, if you ever wanted to know if somebody loved you, cared about you, your family, and your community, I'm not in it for the money. I got a different calling on my life. I explained that to people some time ago. I have a different type of calling on my life. It's not about money. I'm an entrepreneur, so I'm going to absolutely generate the cash and the revenue, but it's not about that for me. I have a different mission. That's a fact. I feel good about that, and I sleep like a baby. I love y'all. That's how I end it live now. I love you. And there's nothing you can do about it. You're all kings and queens. And I'm praying for you. Thank you for your prayers. We got through that as a community, and that strengthened our community. Boy, this thing is about to be crazy. My wife was like, you know how strong your community is? People was praying. There was all this, I would share my sessions with this person, and, you can use this for some of that money as legal fees and stuff. I was like, appreciate that. Thank you. But no, I want to make sure that y'all get all y'all bread back first. And then we'll restart it. My PayPal people, they on deck. You know what I'm saying? They got a link today, so we handling that business for them. PayPal people, check your email so you can go and reschedule your stuff and get that out the way. But I love y'all, man. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for inviting me into your homes, into your family, into your businesses. It means a lot. It means a lot. I can't wait. I'm going to say this and then I'm off. I can't wait for this parabolic phase of this bull run to end, because when that ends, I'm going back. Through the bear market, it won't be much to do in the bear market except for me to teach you how to get money so that you can buy a bunch of these cryptos when they crash down to the bottom. If you think this is good and what I'm teaching y'all with this crypto stuff, wait till I jump back in my digital marketing bag. I'm waiting for the bear market to get back in that digital marketing bag. You will have a lot of money to buy these cryptos in the bear market. Trust me, I'm better at digital marketing than I am at crypto. That should scare some people. I'm better at that. Shh. All right. That's it. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all weekend. I don't know if I'm going live tomorrow. I haven't decided yet. But I wanted to jump in here and let y'all know. I'm riding with you. Somebody said, man, I'm ready to sing a song. I mean, do you know how encouraging I feel when I'm ready to sing a song. I gotta go, y'all. Wife and daughter waiting on it. We you know what I'm saying, we just hanging out a little bit. I gotta get out of here. Yeah, maybe I'll see y'all a little later or later tomorrow or something like that. If not, then I'll see y'all Monday. Good night. Or good morning, if that's where you are in the world. Good morning. And, y'all take care of yourself. By the way, the person that sent me these Bitcoin shirts, this one right here says, run your Bitcoin. I'm going to be wearing these shirts. I had them, I was just waiting, but I'm going to wear those. So shout out to the person, he knows sees it. I'll be wearing these, so. Yeah, run your Bitcoin. All right, man, I'm out. God bless. Peace.
Jovan.
Jovan.
Zar ti ne liči na nekog Jovana?
Evo, samo kaže, slušaj, znači ovo ti se desi još jednom. Kaže, pa nisam, brate, nahajpovao sam. Šta, pa ja šta da radim, A ne mogu, da. Dobro, nadam se, tu mu je PC sa desne strane, to definitivno nije idealno za organizatora, naravno imaju oni backupove, ali...
Dobili smo i zvaničnu informaciju da je jedan od igrača prosuo vodu, a mislim da je dosta rano bilo očigledno da je u pitanju Šalfi.
Da, baš se pitam ko je.
Da, prosto neverovatno. Ovo je posljednji dan, dame i gospodare Mara. To treba takođe naglasiti, tokom radne nedelje Kantera neće biti u subotu. Počinje Major od 4 ujutru sa opening fazom. Sa publikom. Svaki stage će se igrati sa publikom, Rema je jako srećan zbog toga. Od opening faze bit će publike preko elimination stage-a, naravno, do samog play-offa.
Mislim, mnogo je bolje, naravno, i da gledaš meč kad ima publike.
Totalno je drugačiji doživljaj.
Kastovanje isto mnogo znači kad imaš publiku. Da. Ovo si više onako nahajpovan. Pa čak i da gledaš NIP Nine Pandas kad ima publike...
Nikakav problem. Ali nikakav problem.
Pa bukvalno. Mislim, nije sad kao da mislim da su ovo loše ekipe, dami i gospodo. Ovo nemojte da napadate odmah nas ovako mlade i dobre momke.
Ma napadnite ga, evo, Exist, legenda Kantera Rema došao da ga proziva.
Bukvalno, kakvo đubre od trenera.
Moramo i malo da se šalimo. Mnogo dana, mnogo posla. Ali, eto, Arimar se polako bliži kraju, ostalo je još samo nekoliko best of 3 mečeva. Ovo je poslednja mapa našeg prvog za danas. Igrači Nipa vode 6-3 na odlučujućoj mapi protiv Nine Pandas. Mnogo bolji utisak je Nip ostavio do sada, a nastavit će se i tako. Eto, fraga iza Rinkla, igrači Nine Pandas ovde na polovičnoj kupovini gde će imati M-ku na Resoltu kako bi on možda došao do nekog fraga više.
Čudo nemamo replay, baš bi volao da, eto, u PGL ubaci replay kako se prosula voda. Barem da imamo content malo. Pušavanje rampe, umeđu vremenu za Pande. B-site samo sa Šalfijem koji trenutno ima smoke, čisto da ih zaustavi ukoliko krenu ka njemu jer je sam, a on će taj smoke iskoristiti već sad, tako da kasnije neće biti u prilici da zaustavi ovaj napad. Duže preključit ćemo se ID's Balance. Imaće dvojicu, ID's Balance ima i pancir, tako da ako ništa možda da se uradi nešto, a i dvojica sa sajta također rotiraju ovde, to je veoma dobro za pancir.
A upravo to, ovo može da bude velika klopka za ekipu Nipa, koja za sad izgleda kao da bi mogla spojiti taj B-side. Vremena je i dalje postoji, tako da mogu i da se predomisle, ali to će, kako stvari stoje, biti definitivno spajanje B. Dvojica preko kuće, dvojica preko kraćeg, sad da vidimo da li Pande mogu da se odbrane. Mistem, prvi kontakt, muka protiv Šalfija, nije ga ispratio saigrač i to je sad veliki problem za Pande, nikako dođu do trejda, kamoli do fraga, 1 po 1 oni padaju, Resolt upravo sa tom M4 će biti sjajan, on će nastradati, Rez dolazi iz lurka, frag za njega, ali on kasni i njegovi saigrači su već popadali, on mora da reši ovde 1 na 2, a to se dogoditi neće. Četvrta runda za Pande, nakon fantastičnog rida staka bez sajta, prosto Nip ovde nije mogao da odreaguje.
Ali opet neko Nip u ovim situacijama 30 sekundi do kraja dele. Rez je ušao u konektor. Gledao sam na minimapi. Ušao je u kon. Došao je do džungle, nije vidio nikog. Pa stani, sačekaj, ako vidiš da ti igrač prošao do džungle, stani, sačekaj ga da dođe, imaš 30 sekundi, to u Kanteru je mnogo. Ovako ne deluje kao mnogo vremena. Ali kad se igra Kanter, šta se sve desi u roku od minut 40, 30 sekundi je dovoljno. Gledez opet tagovan, lomio je smoke i malo se ubagovao tamo ka prozoru, tako da će biti kažnjen. 25 HP-a na njemu. Neće se zameniti sa ID's Balanceom da uzme taj AWP kako deluje za sada, nego će samo da krene ka B. A Rez dobija boost, koji može da iskoristi kasnije u rundi da opet dođe do nekog lurka. Opet stak ka B sajtu za Pande, ali ovog puta i push od strane Risolta.
Da, on bi ovdje mogao da bude udvojen, nezgodna situacija za njega, uspeva da nađe tag, ali ne i frag. Mistem je pao umeđu vremenu, Šalfi sprema na kraćem da upravo iseče ovaj napad, Jokab je skočio kroz prozor, ali nije ga ekipa ispratila. 50 sekundi i evo, poslušali su te sada igrači Nipa, sad su stali, sad razmatraju kakve su im opcije. Rez već se javio, tako da Glowing ima ideju da bi Rez mogao tu da se nađe, ali ne može Glowing da se odbrani kad mu sa obe strane dolaze igrači. I još 2 fraga u deliću sekunde, Nip dolazi do svoje 7. runde.
Vidi ti to, kako je moguće da su ovo odradili sad? Ko bi rekao da kad imaš igrača koji lurkuje i vidi prazan sajt, još čuje drugog igrača ka konektoru da možeš da dođeš do runde. Ali šalu na stranu, svakako Nip sa veoma dobrim kolom u ovoj rundi. Eto, uspjeli su da se vrate sa B, da ne istrče prebrzo. Taj jedan frag Reza je bio više nego dovoljan i Rez se probudio, to je ono što je dobro za Nip. 6 fragova nije mnogo, ali evo i 7. Uspeo nađe ajde izbalansa sa tim AVP-om. Uzet će AVP nazad Šalfi, ali s druge strane Glowing malo u problemu, pucaju ga full rafalk, krije se ovde iza headshot ugla, pa čak će da nađe i frag i sada u veću ozbiljnom problemu, možda i Nip. Šalfi nalazi jedan fraga, Isak je taj koji ne može da dođe do istog. Glowing baca molotov ka konu, ne želi da ga ljudi spoje, ali molotovi lete i ka triplu. Rinkle ne može sa diglom ništa, dolazim u pomoći Mistem, a Mistem pada sa default.
Rinkle takođe gotov, Rez mora da klačuje 1-3, ali pogledaj helte na igračima, Pandi ovde, šansa na moment je postojala. Risolt će uzeti taj poslednji frag za 5. rundu 9 Pandas. Moglo je ovo bolje za Nip, da budemo iskreni. Bilo je prilika da se oni ozbiljno odvoje. Igrači 9 Pandas su se spasili na ovoj svojoj CT strani, ali kako haotična runda da se i završi poluvreme. Nip ponovo malo neoprezan 9 Pandas. Čak i pored toga što nisu uspevali da budu baš toliko precizni, uspevali su zapravo iz dobrih pozicija da dođu do fragova i ulazimo u drugo poluvreme mape broj 3. Pištolj runda će značiti ili izjednačenje praktično za 9 Pandas ili činjenica da Nip može ponovo da napravi razliku u svoju korist.
Trebalo je barem minimum da bude 9-3 poluvreme za Nip, ako ne i više, s obzirom kako se odigralo. Ok, 7-5 poluvreme na te strane Miraža nije toliko loše. Nismo dobili statistiku da vidimo koji je win percentage na CT strani, ali ako neće PGL, ima ko će.
Pa dobro, pazi, ja tebi verujem daleko više nego PGL-u.
Hvala ti, iskreno. Barem neko da ima
povremena. The bar is low, kad govorimo o PGL-u, da ne bude da ih flameujem, samo one grafike koje su nam dale za statistike timova su zaista bile netačne. Meč pauziran, da li je neko ponovo prosuo vodu?
Deluje da nešto sad nije u redu sa Isakom i njegovim kompom, mada možda i on bio nevaljao.
Na moment mi je zaista izgledalo, pošto je Exist skočio ka Isaku, tu je i admin takođe, na moment sam bio ubeđen da je on prosuo vodu, ali nije to slučaj.
Nip ima 16% win rate-a na Miražu. 6 odigranih, 1-0-5. Ali, ako ništa drugo, CT strana im je bolja za 2% te strane koja naravno je u minusu. Izgubili su od Metisporta pre nekih 2 nedelje na Miražu 16-13.
Dobro, da, ali kad govorimo o win rate-u Nipa globalno, generalno, na svim mapama ta brojka nije velika jer su oni se toliko mučili u poslednje vreme i uhvatili su možda i najbolju svoju formu sad na RMR-u, gde eto, imaju prilike da se kvalifikuju za Major. Vidjet ćemo da li je ta prilika jedna koju mogu da iskoriste. Sada igraju na CT strani, rekao si 2% bolje od njihove te strane. A sad deluje kao da imaju možda i dobar rid da bi ovaj napad mogao da usledi ka A. Tu je Rinkle, jedan frag, tu je još jedan za njega. Šalfi, međutim, i Diledez uspevaju da vrate 3 kila. Tako da je to sada situacija 2 na 2, dovoljno vremena da se postavi bomba. Isak je naredni kontakt, Molotov bačen, on će se ovde mučiti i Resl će ubiti njega i ostao je samo Jokap. Odlična mapa za njega do sada, da li može da je kruniše i klače?
Da vidimo, zna da je jedan igrač ka triplu, zna da je drugi bio ka CT-u. Tako da sada imaju svu potrebnu informaciju, vidjet će ovde jednog i sada trebalo bi samo zajedno da odigraju, međutim, Jokap se ne da, bit će to 2 fraga za njega i runda za NIP.
Ovo je izgledalo jednostavno za Pande, kao da samo treba da ga rašire, ali skok je izgleda zasmetao igraču na tiketu. On je skočio na tiket, skočio još jednom i okej, Jokap je bio u fazonu, okej, mrtav si, nikakav problem za mene. 8. runda za NIP.
Ne znam samo što ga ovaj igrač iza tripla onda širi u levo umjesto u desno, gde mu je saigrač. Da Jokap mora da puca na 2 različite strane. A to širenje, evo vidimo, ovde je trebalo samo u desno. On je odlučio u levo da raširi i to je dalo Jokapu priliku.
Ovako zvuči moji saigrači na meču.
Boga mi ova strana rezi Isak hladni skroz, a ova strana vriskanje na sve strane.
Pa tako su se i podelili, jedni da budu smireni, drugi da hajpuju ekipu.
Pa to je ova nova generacija protiv stare generacije.
Okej, da, ima smisla. Prvi frag, međutim, ide u korist Nine Pandas. Oni su logično ovdje rešili da isforsiraju, s obzirom na to da mogu da priušte sebi 4 galila, zašto da ne? Njihovo naoružanje je bolje nego ono što ima NIP, međutim, količina granata nije. Tako da će Nine Pandas morati da se doseti, da smisli šta učiniti u nastavku ove runde, a NIP za sada dosta tih. Nakon što su izgubili prvog čoveka, ne žele da forsiraju neku tuču.
Da, ne znam da li su uzeli tu M4 ili je Mistem uzeo M4 iz prozora. Ali deluje da, s obzirom da Rez nije krenuo ka prozoru, kapiram da je to ta M4. A izbalans će krenuti polako sa saigračima ka konu. Ovog puta 2 igrača za NIP ovde i jedan ka kraćem. Isak je malo odvojen od saigrača, mislim će samo da dobije po glavi. Znaju da Rez igra konektor i ovde nisu imali šanse.
Čišćenje! Na suvo čišćenje! Igrači Nine Pandas dolaze do lagane 6. runde, a NIP-u je možda bilo bolje da Jokap na kraju nije klačovao pištoljku, pošto će sad biti full resetovani. Računajte koliko sad para imaju, a nemaju, plus 1400 će imati u narednoj rundi. Biti primorani da to potroše, tako da ih očekuju samo pištolji.
Vidimo, Isak naravno želi da sačuva MP9-ku, tako da nije to nešto mnogo za NIP. Jeste loše za NIP s obzirom da Isak ima samo 2 fraga. Ali nadamo se da će se uskoro i probuditi bivši igrač Gamer Legiona. Njegova bivša ekipa je uspela da se kvalifikuje za Major.
Da.
Dakle, vidjet ćemo da li je napravio dobar potez u karijeri ako i NIP uspije da se kvalifikuje.
Ima dosta takvih priča na ovom Aremaru, timovi čiji saigrači nisu uspeli da se kvalifikuju, čiji bivši igrači zapravo nisu uspeli da se kvalifikuju i obrnuto, igrači koji nastupaju za ekipu su uspeli da se kvalifikuju, jer njihove bivše ekipe nisu. Dosta zanimljivih priča je zapravo napisao ovaj Aremar.
Da.
Između ostalog, tu postoji i Astralis koji se danas bori. To je naredni best of 3 koji ćemo imati na programu.
To će biti zanimljivo ispratiti. Passion koji nas je iznenadio u prvom danu rezultatom 2-0, gde su dobili Spirit da zapravo odu 2-0. Borit će se protiv Astralisa za to mesto na Majoru, Mistem. Ovde ka CT-u zajedno sa Isakom, još 2 igrača su ka CT-u, tako da ovde može da bude iznenađenje za Diledeza i definitivno će biti.
Upravo to, prvi frag ide u korist NIP-a, ali će morati još jače. Rez im je pao i Rez je bio velika nada za njih u ovoj rundi. Ovako četvorica mogu preko CT-a ili mogu samo da povuku, pa i ovo da se sačuva. Došli su do MK, imaju 2 SMG-a, imaju 5-7, sva četvorica na pancirima. Tu postoji taj jedan smoke koji može u narednoj rundi da se iskoristi, tako da će NIP prepustiti Pandama ovu rundu. Biće to 7. za Nine Pandas, dok će NIP u narednoj moći da se takmiči, a pritom kada se ta runda završi imaće dovoljno novca za kupovinu kako treba.
Da, imaju oni sad